Have you ever felt like you're being judged based on how you look, like your clothes, your hairstyle, or whether you have a beard somehow defines your entire being, especially your faith? It's a heavy weight to carry. And today, I want to talk about why that weight is something we need to set down. We're going to explore a simple but powerful idea. That faith, true faith, lives in the heart, not in our appearance. Let's get right into it. Think about the most common symbols people associate with a Muslim's appearance. For men, it's often a beard. For women, it can be the headscarf or specific styles of modest clothing. These things have become visual shortcuts, a quick way for people to categorize us. And while these can be beautiful expressions of personal devotion for many, they are not the core of our faith. They are not the pillars upon which our relationship with God is built. Islam, at its very essence, is about submission to God. It's about the sincere belief in one Creator, the compassion we show to others, the prayers we offer in the quiet of our rooms, and the kindness that no one else sees. It's an internal state of being. It's the purity of our intentions and the sincerity of our heart. God tells us in the Quran that He does not look at our bodies or our forms, but He looks at our hearts and our deeds. This is such a profound and liberating message. It shifts the focus from the external, which can be easily faked or judged, to the internal, which only God truly knows. So, a man without a beard can have a heart that is deeply connected to God, overflowing with love and fear of Him. His faith can be as strong and unwavering as anyone else's. His private worship, his charity, his honesty in business deeds are the true measures of his devotion. Judging him for not having a beard is like judging a book by its cover, completely missing the rich story inside. His connection with God is a personal journey, and its expression is unique to Him. Similarly, a woman's relationship with God is not confined to a piece of cloth. Whether she chooses to cover her hair or not, her faith is her own. Her heart can be filled with immense piety and love for God. She might be someone who spends her nights in prayer, who gives generously to those in need, or who raises her children with strong moral values. Her spirituality is vast and deep, and it cannot be measured by a single outward practice. To reduce her entire spiritual existence to whether she wears a headscarf is to do a great disservice to her and to the beautiful complexity of faith itself. The danger in focusing too much on appearance is that it can lead to a culture of performance. People might start adopting certain looks not out of sincere devotion, but out of a desire to fit in, to be accepted by the community, or to appear more religious than they feel inside. This creates a pressure cooker environment where we're all judging each other, and worse, judging ourselves. It can lead to a sense of hypocrisy, where the outside doesn't match the inside, and it can push people away, especially the youth, who feel they couldn't live up to these visual standards, and therefore must not be good enough for their faith. But that's not what our faith is about. Islam is a welcoming path for everyone, regardless of their background, their culture, or yes, their personal style. The core message is universal. Believe in God, be a good person, and strive to do good in the world. It's about progress, not perfection. It's about the journey of the soul towards its Creator. Your journey's yours alone. Your pace, your struggles, and your victories are between you and God. So let's make a conscious effort to change our perspective. Let's look beyond the surface. When we meet someone, let's try to see their character, their kindness, their integrity. Let us build communities where people feel safe to be on their own spiritual journey without fear of judgment. Let's encourage each other based on our actions and our intentions, not our outfits. Let's remember that the most beautiful adornment is the adornment of the heart with piety and goodness. Ultimately, your faith is a deeply personal connection with the divine. It's a conversation between you and God. It's not about pleasing people or fitting into a certain mold. It's about sincerity, love, and a genuine effort to live a life that is pleasing to your Creator. Whether you have a beard or not, whether you wear a headscarf or not, what truly matters is the state of your heart. Let's focus on purifying that, and let's grant each other the grace and space to do the same. Thanks for watching and reflecting with me on this. If this message resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe for more conversations like this. See you in the next one.